Well, I was gonna come last night and I thought it's awful miserable and cold, so.
Did that one click though?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, I wonder if Jen's still up. I said to Mike if Jen, the two of them have this thing like waiting to go to bed first. Who's winning?
Who's giving in?
Yeah. So I said, if Jen falls asleep, just drive across the road.
Like this?
And there you guys are being good, going to bed early to get up, fixing dirt bikes.
That was 1 o'clock.
Yeah, because I was
Like
tired.
that, Chris?
No, not like that.
What? Help.
No water leak now. And that is the impeller.
Oh,
It's actually forged into one piece. There's a little washer there. Don't drop it.
I still can't get over the price of that.
160 beans, eh?
It's
crazy. I could put 3 GM V8 water pumps on for that much money.
You see where it's all worn.
Okay, so don't worry about torquing that yet, because once you put the case on, the gear on the other side won't turn, so you can turn it real easy. Now you need a gasket.
Don't rip that.
Yeah, I know.
There you guys go, knocking out the shift shaft again.
Oh, did it?
No. Yeah, sort of.
It's not at all the way, though. It stopped on the clutch hub this time.
Oh, you're good.
No, it looks good.
No,
The
it's
last
just
thing you're going to have to do
like,
is stop
look,
setting
like
out on
one
the
of
shift
those.
shaft for a minute. So, put something under the engine so that you can lift that shift shaft up.
This?
There you go. Set it down. Put your shift shaft back in.
What's
Because if you put it together like that, it ain't going to be lined up.
shift shafts like
Oh,
this?
God.
No, it's right here.
Remember that piece that you guys knocked out once? Okay. Now your dad's going to hold the case while you put that end on.
Dad, move your hand.
You gotta
line it
shove
up.
this down here.
I'm trying. Let me look. I know, but that was like angled weird.
There you
It was
go.
like
Yeah, you're good. So don't knock it on all the way. Start putting bolts in. That way you can move your gasket if you need to.
The bolts.
They're all spread out on the table here. The loving family. Ready to choke each other.
You're right.
COVID.
Wrong way. And don't hold that because you need to feel it click.
how do you?
Stop.
There is no ratchet on that.
Oh,
See? Gotta take it off.
yeah.
Put it back on.
Eric, you should become a shop teacher. You're so patient.
No words.
With your fingers.
All right.
Now flip it over.
What now? Top end.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're leaving the table for this. Sorry to tell you that, but you are. Because we're not
That means
dropping.
you are too.
No. Ooh, Ashton, look at that sticker.
See what I did to that one.
Pistons with attitude.
Oh, Pistons with attitude. There you go.
Huh.
Okay, what do we got there? Wrist pin bearing going in. See, that's why it snowed. I shaved off my beard. Summer, I don't have the beard because it gets sweaty and full of bugs and stuff. So I shaved off my beard, and now it snowed.
I can put a clip in one side of this
Put
first,
a clip
right?
in one to begin, yeah.
Yeah.
And the gap is opposite of that slot. So the gap is going to be over here at your thumb.
Got a flat screwdriver, or just push this?
Just use your finger.
Yeah.
Ah!
My life.
Come here.
Bang.
Oh.
What's that?
Fucking annoying. It's this side.
I got it
fucking glasses on.
actually.
All the way.
Yeah.
Okay, same thing.
I know I did that. I
Ours in
fucking
here.
fight with it with a
4 days.
fucking...
Carl place was 2 hours.
Holy m***. And I'm here the whole time, man. Like, fighting with it.
Just make sure I got it in all the way. It looks like it's in, but
Within 4 hours, do it in Carl's place.
Yeah.
we're good. I need your ring. There's your pin.
She said it's because they
me 3 different directions.
Yeah, you're good at it. You don't need to concentrate on any one thing. Man, there's too many.
Take that old one.
See it right there?
It looks a lot different on camera.
Kickstarter on. That's a shift shaft.
Chris, it looks different on camera then. That's more yellow.
Pump it a couple times. That looks good. Nice and easy, alright?
Yeah.
Lots of oil in there, we're good.
That's spitting like a lot.
Goes to 19.
It's great. I'm excited.
You just went through all the water.
Got a full rebuild going down here.
I know.
Crankshaft, top end, a new water pump shaft. The only thing we didn't replace on this is the clutch. And it's spraying it like brand new, that one.
Connor riding that other bike, Chris?
Yeah, not today, not really.
Does he like it?
Yeah, he's just starting to get used to it.
A little timid.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, when you start working. 2 times 9 is 18.
210.
You know how that works.
There's
10 over
200.
When you
there.
get to the line, you're on inch
It's a 10,
pounds.
but it's a box.
So that's
it's not an open wrench.
200 to 0,
Try
210, 220,
6
230.
minutes anyway.
Good.
Yep. Quick, lock it back up. There you go.
Yes, sir.
This one has an up on it, but this one doesn't.
Okay, so look at the gasket. It's going to have concave and convex parts.
Yeah, but not
So-
this one because it's on.
Okay.
Like that. So the raised part is on. So if your gasket don't have an up on it, the raised parts are up. I don't know why they wouldn't just take 2 seconds to do it up. Okay. Slide make sure your head is clean. I'm not sure we cleaned the head when we took it off. It's right there. It's not too bad. Just wipe it off and we're good. We did clean it. 30 seconds on the wire wheel won't hurt it.
that's.
So it is a little short.
Say that?
Well,
Take 19. Here you go, you this. And you pop it out. You look.
No, we already have it set for down there.
Um,
Hold them over.
okay, it points like that at the throttle. So like that. Pull that whole cable out of there. Okay, here. Get it gone. Throw it on. There you go. Why it's still in here.
that didn't click though.
I'm just getting them all tight. So, all right, you ready?
Exactly
Yeah.
like that. How far
Why, you
from
hold
the
it and I do it?
to the
Or no?
throttle are we?
Oh, I wasn't that hard. So from the end of that. to the floor Yeah, that's
of
not
the
that hard.
we need to know how long.
We did or 5?
Yeah.
Hey.
No, we have to still do this.
We don't need to be exact because it's
That's not
adjustable.
bad. Just gotta put your cover on. That's no biggie.
So the cable isn't long enough after all.
Well, it is.
So this I
Well,
can.
I got it way over in this side too, Chris.
Okay, so your reed cage, you need a gasket, which is over there.
Hmm.
Is there a gasket on there? Yeah. So get rid of this old gasket. That needs to be cleaned up. Wire wheel, both sides. It's a paper gasket, that one.
Yeah.
And then on your where's the other piece?
Right here. That,
Okay.
that
There's a
right,
rubber
yeah.
seal that you'll be replacing.
Yep.
So you need to clean all this crap up.
And that goes.
And that goes. Just
In
sits
there.
in there like that. Like that.
Yeah.
And then you bolt it all on.
Yep.
And you can see there's an up and down on this part, but not this part.
That part doesn't matter.
Okay, so.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not all the way in though. We're losing a quarter right now.
Just put it as far as
you
can for now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah, but the cable's not.
Yeah, so we get to put that stuff on.
No.
Not ready
Why?
to push that seating
I
all the
don't
way
know.
up as far as it'll go?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I got about 1 inch sticking out here, so I need to take about an inch.
Chris, the upway, was that angled up?
That's what I'm trying to remember. You gotta take the way the engine sits.
Hey, stop! I have it
So your
sitting there.
engine sits basically like that in there, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so it's like that.
No.
Wait, no.
Yeah, so your
So
carb
it's up
is
the
level.
air-
That's up.
Air
Oh,
filter.
okay.
Yeah, typically those are marking your top because that's how you center your carburetor for level.
And those would be these little washers.
Yeah. Yeah, cause Dad, it has to be that, like that. So, mesh, like, so,
Yeah. We'll go like that.
Jam it in. Okay.
Why are you so Nothing but goddamn rain. Still? Okay, good. So that's about what I need. I'm not sure how that. Okay.
See if
Woo!
Critical, it just keeps water out of there, right?
So, well,
you got the screw up far enough?
Wowzers, man.
oh,
That's cool.
Man.
Well, your motor mount bolts are on the table. Plastics is the most confusing part about this crap. Did you get it? I know they're in a bad spot. Oh, it looks like it works. Sure, let's try it. Oh yeah, she's shifting good. Oh, that's hard to push. How happy is Derek?
Happy.
You know what bleeping I'm gonna have to do? This is supposed to be family friendly.
I'm sorry about the words,
It's
but
supposed
this
to be
has been a
family
very
friendly.
frustrating job. I'm just learning, so it's not a job for somebody that doesn't have patience. I can tell you that.
Okay, so you want to make sure that one's in the right spot to start, right? So you want it up so it's just about hitting the exhaust. Other way. There you go. Yeah, the Honda's actually pretty easy because it either hits the case or it hits that bracket on the exhaust.
too.
Yeah. What do you think? How many kicks?
Well,
Comment below how many kicks it's going to take. Around here we cool our bikes with Molson Canadian. Your dad's all excited to hear this thing hurt.
whoa, you're gonna need choke.
Come on there, Weenie. Look at that. Your dad's trying to kill you. Good thing the other strap was still on.
Dad?
Got some compression now.
6, 7, 8,
Oh.
9.
That'll wake you up. You sure there's gas in that thing? Okay, we have an issue here. Let's check our spark. You should never need more than that many kicks to get a bike going.
Ready? Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Pretty weak kicks. We got choke on?
Choke's off.
Choke on, it's cold.
I don't think I put it on. It's pouring out the bottom there. Okay, go.
Oh.
Hey, oh, it's good.
Okay, how many kicks with choke on? There you go, Derek. I'll give you a high five.
Woo! Sounds different.
Okay. 3 full heat cycles.
What? Yeah.
Warm it all the way up. Shut it off. Let it cool. Do that 3 times.
Kick it hard. Let it stand up and jump on it.